Ancestral karma and its impact, unraveling the threads of generational influence. In the tapestry of our lives, the threads of ancestral karma intricately weave their way through the fabric of our existence. Ancestral karma represents the accumulated energy, experiences, and imprints passed down from our forebears, influencing the course of our lives in ways both seen and unseen. This profound concept delves into the idea that our present reality is not solely shaped by our individual experiences but is deeply entwined with the narratives of those who came before us. In this exploration, we unravel the threads of ancestral karma, understanding its impact on our lives and the transformative potential it holds. Now, let us dive deeper to understand more about the ancestral karma. Inherited energetic imprints. Ancestral karma goes beyond the tangible aspects of our family history. It delves into the energetic imprints that are transferred from one generation to the next. These imprints carry the vibrational resonance of past experiences, choices, and even unresolved challenges, shaping the collective energy field of our ancestral lineage. Akashic records and ancestral exploration. The Akashic records, often referred to as the Book of Life, serve as a repository of the soul's journey, containing the imprints of every thought, action, and experience across lifetimes. Ancestral exploration within the Akashic records allows us to access the stories and energies that have shaped our family lineage, providing insights into the karmic patterns that influence our present reality. Patterns of blessings and challenges. Ancestral karma encompasses both blessings and challenges. Positive ancestral karma may manifest as strengths, talents, and favorable circumstances passed down through generations. Conversely, challenges and unresolved issues may be inherited, creating patterns that influence relationships, health, and life circumstances. Now let us try to understand the impact of ancestral karma. Relationship dynamics. Ancestral karma weaves its influence into the fabric of our relationships. Patterns of communication, dynamics of power and vulnerability, and even the choice of partners may be influenced by the relational imprints inherited from our ancestors. Understanding these dynamics is key to navigating and transforming our current relationships. Health and well-being. Ancestral karma can manifest in patterns of health and well-being. Predispositions to certain illnesses, patterns of stress response, and even the way our bodies metabolize and respond to environmental factors may carry the imprints of ancestral influences. By recognizing these patterns, we gain insight into proactive approaches to holistic health. Financial and career patterns. Our financial and career trajectories are often influenced by ancestral karma. Inherited beliefs about abundance, success, and worthiness can shape our approach to financial matters and professional pursuits. Breaking free from limiting financial patterns requires a conscious exploration of ancestral imprints in this domain. Recurring life themes. Ancestral karma may manifest as recurring themes in our lives. These themes could relate to specific challenges, relationships, or life circumstances that echo across generations. Recognizing these patterns allows us to break the cycle and consciously shape our destiny. Now, let us try and understand the transformative potential that comes from healing the ancestral karma. Conscious awareness and healing. The first step towards transforming the impact of ancestral karma is conscious awareness. By delving into our family history and exploring the Akashic records, we gain insights that serve as a foundation for healing. Acknowledging and addressing ancestral wounds with compassion sets the stage for transformative change. Integration and empowerment. Integrating the wisdom gained from ancestral exploration empowers us to make conscious choices aligned with our true essence. As we heal and release the imprints of the past, we reclaim our agency and become active participants in the co creation of our reality. This integration fosters a sense of empowerment and purpose. Ripple effect on future generations. The transformative work we undertake to heal ancestral karma has a ripple effect on future generations. Breaking free from limiting patterns and cultivating positive energies creates a legacy of well being that transcends time. The healing we initiate becomes a gift to those who follow, contributing to the evolution of the ancestral lineage. Spiritual evolution. Ancestral karma, when approached with a spiritual perspective, becomes a catalyst for our soul's evolution. The challenges embedded in our ancestral imprints serve as opportunities for growth, self discovery, and the refinement of our spiritual journey. Each healing step contributes to the evolution of not only our individual soul but the collective soul of our ancestral lineage. Embarking on the journey. In conclusion, the exploration of ancestral karma invites us on a transformative journey of self discovery, healing, and empowerment. By unraveling the threads of our ancestral tapestry, we gain profound insights into the forces that have shaped our lives. Through conscious awareness, healing practices, and a commitment to positive transformation, we not only liberate ourselves from the constraints of the past but contribute to the evolution of our ancestral lineage. This journey, guided by the wisdom of the Akashic records, becomes a sacred odyssey of reclaiming our true essence and co creating a future illuminated by the light of healed ancestral karma.